Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a home version eggplant stir fry. This is one of my family's favorite eggplant recipe, and it is a Buddhism vegetarian version. Okay, let's get started now. I used 2 long eggplants. Wash clean under the tap water and then cut off both ends and then cut to about 5 cm long. As these 2 eggplants are pretty big, therefore I also halve it. Put all the eggplants in a plate and steam over boiling water for 8 minutes. While the eggplant is steaming and cooling, we prepare other ingredients. 2 shiitake mushrooms, cut to thick slices. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom. You can also use dried shiitake mushroom. 1 pressed hard tofu, sliced diagonally because by doing this way, each slice is thinner and bigger, so the presentation is better. Marinate the pressed hard tofu with some light soy sauce, and then put aside waiting for cooking. We also need to prepare a sauce. 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, a little bit chilli flakes. This is optional and you can skip it if you can't take spicy food. Some white pepper powder, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and 30 ml water. Mix all the seasoning well with the water and put aside waiting for cooking. Now we go back to the eggplants that have been steamed and cooled down. Tear the eggplant to small pieces. It is about slightly over 1 cm wide. Now we start cooking. Spray some oil to a hot pan, put the shiitake mushroom in, slightly pan fry both sides, and then push to the side of the pan. Spray some more oil to the pan, put the pressed hard tofu in, slightly pan fry both sides too. And then mix the tofu with the shiitake mushroom. Give them a good few toasts and then transfer them to a plate. It is not necessary to wash the pan and put it back to the stove. Put 1.5 tablespoons oil to the hot pan and then put the eggplant in. Put 1/4 teaspoon salt to the eggplant and then toast for 1 minute. And then put the pressed hard tofu and shiitake mushroom in. Slightly mix them well together and then put the sauce in. Remember to give the sauce a few good stirs to mix everything well together and then pour into the pan, gently toasting the eggplant until the sauce thickened. And then do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed. Few more gentle toasting to mix the salt with the eggplant. This dish is done. The eggplant is incredibly tender, silky, and almost creamy. It will melt in your mouth. The sauce is very flavorful with a touch of heat. This is my family's home recipe, and I hope you will give it a try too. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!